Rove app. Yep, I had to like download it and do all the things, so give us a sec here. It's working, oh my god, it's working. Look at this cord, this is terrible. Like, how are you really supposed to? Okay, let's do this. Plugged in and connected, how about that? I am here in Santa Ana, California. I passed gas and I'm charging the car because I don't know who's here. Alrighty, I'm fully charged at 268 miles of range. I'm gonna go park somewhere. And I just gave out one of my little informational thingies. What a great parking spot. Here we are at the Santa Ana Rove station with car wash, vacuum, complimentary vacuums. I bought a t-shirt. So I was just charging over here. Now there's a Mini and a Lucid and an ID4. Let's just go into this one. Oh, look how cute. Here's where the coffee stuff is. I didn't see that. Essentials. And then they have like shower to go stuff, like if you're traveling. Look at this kombucha.
There we go. You got the two phones?
Yeah,
I can do that too. Let's go.
Yeah, there you go. So that's what we got.
What you got there, Caroline?
Lucid Gravity.
What are you sitting on?
Walking around.
Oh, look at that. Ta-da. Max, babe.
Special highlight about Rove here. They have 4 separate restrooms. And then you get a code for when it's after hours to get in to use the restroom and get a vending snack. I want to thank Talig for showing me all the ropes.